Alright, so what is up guys? I'm Howie and this is the Go Ride channel where I publish videos irregularly about all different kinds of motorcycles in all different states of disrepair. Got a KLR 650 sitting outside, got a KDX that we're working on today, a Ducati, and a little Honda CRF 230F that has not been used in a little while. Today we're going to do just a quick video. I'm going to try to knock some of the ugly off of my KDX. So I did go ahead, broke down, bought some new side covers, bought some new radiator shrouds, and I got a new fender on the way that's not here yet. The number plate and stuff, I'm thinking I might screw with separately and try to update the lighting. And then the rear fender is actually going to stay, and I'm just going to cover it in stickers from like all the cool places that I like and all the parts that I bought as a part of the rebuild. So, I got some new hardware as well. I'm going to start putting that stuff together. And I apologize for all the crap I've got everywhere. I'm like deep into mock-up on my hot rod, which has been a long time coming. So I got some new hardware. I'm going to reuse as much of the hardware as possible, and then just the mismatch stuff that has like kind of come out over the past, God, I don't know how long. I'm going to go ahead and just swap it out. When I do the reassembly on this, I am going to go ahead and use just a little bit of blue Loctite to keep stuff from vibrating apart. Actually makes the bike look a ton better. I'm almost bummed that I didn't do the back, but it'll be okay. Alright guys, costume change. I'm going to go ahead. The fender has come in. I bought it on eBay. Bought all these plastics on eBay, so I'm going to go ahead and put a partner link in the description, so that way if you guys want to pick up the same plastics, you certainly can. This fender that I bought is a Polisport. It was listed as a universal, but the application is actually for Yamaha WR. I thought the look of it was a little more modern, kind of updates the look of the bike slightly, so we'll see if it fits. So the holes don't line up at all, so I'm going to go ahead and build myself just a quick template and drill this thing out. So I just put the cardboard in there and whacked it with a hammer. It leaves little dimples where the bolt holes are. So I'm going to go ahead and get those drilled. Let's quickly check the template. Let's check something else real quick. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and measure my centers, center, as close as I can to try to make sure that I get this thing square to the fender so that way it doesn't sit crooked. That should allow us to get this on the bike. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I didn't initially plan on replacing the plastics, but I'm glad I did. Here's what, let me pull this thing into the sun. This is what we ended up with. Bike is much better looking. I sanded all the ugly green paint off the tank. I probably won't actually do graphics, but then again, I said the same thing about plastics. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased with how it turned out. I cannot wait to get this thing out on the trails and rip it and figure out what it's all about. Like I said, guys, if you like this content, if you want more of this, if you want to see what happens with this bike, please do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, turn on your notifications. I would really appreciate it. And then if you want to go even further, support the channel and you have a 91 KDX, or I guess 89 through 94 KDX, and need some of these parts, use the links in the description below. They are affiliate links, and so the channel will get a small commission on your purchase. With that, guys, get out there, go ride.